yeto wakili Hilary Sande wakili ile editor yakwa ankwenda ku make brief comments on initiative ya turengerwa Chief Justice wetu Martha Koome akwenda kumireta ya ku extend court working hours na woni as an advocate na de wakili wa Aja Meru ikugwa a positive move, especially wateka backlog iraitherwa in our courts. Mwaka jojura kurukite court cheto chitirari fully functional onto COVID-19. Kukuja COVID court cha ingiro for a period of not less than 4 months. Na ndoga tegera magamba jara ingethikirwa period eu no kongera jange jara makuru backlog eu nirari kuingia. So Martha Koome ana intention ya ku extend court working hours inkuwa it's a right move because mtura wina magamba jakarite kotini miaka mingi at least akiona igamba yao ile ku move igatetheria igamba yao ile omba kuthirwa mapema. So that move on my part na de wakili na mtu wita kotini mono inkuwa na move yewe njaga onto ya tutetheria ku reduce backlog ile yara kotini negatetheria mtura witherwa hinyiritwe kuja kuona haki. But on the same note, it will also to be concerned also to the staff baraba kuitakuge na turenda ikinyire thirikari ira yeja na budget ya kutumirika na judiciary. Tafadhali to our national government ne support judiciary ondo kinyato ugato extend working hours cha staff baba na baraba inge judges bangi kwena clerks ba kotini kwena baraba itangu ngina ara kotini. Tafadhali atobara bakenda allowances ikienda bedro be motivated onto whether mtu kama extend working hours no monka at least omongera ka allowance kare waraka ko mongera ka allowance kare na minoga area mtu ora agenda ku kugorerwa chai go to avoid matujara makuru. The government should support initiative yeje na kuongera allowances kia mtu baraba kuitabugina area overtime allowances working extra hours allowances ikienda at least bedro be motivated na ikienda tutethia mwananchi ule wa kawaida. Uni mine ndio na mwananchi ura winaega mbara ya kotini ile karete kumambuka mwaka ya 2004 ka kinya 2010 ka kinya 2015 akona haki ile we quickly then agutetheka na woni akwenda ku support Martha Koome na nkiaja the national government please increase by budget ile batere kuidirwa igitara ki judiciary. On the other thing also ituronete turaiga ku launch a court of appeal Aja Meru na building a ground icheseti. This is a great move, especially ke batuma wakili barato faira appeal onto we wakili Aja Meru no monka wiki appeal na ara banyere ukaidro ugwe ukaita prepare appeal ku weto umefairo na ara nyere tukwe weta kugamba umeaja weta monka na ara nyere wedro kwentu ko kinyoke andike weta na client oku ko kone kampasam ende tuomba kuretero court of appeal Aja Meru tukedro tukyoda ya process ile kwa appeal mtu etachi ndo ara high court atigwa inyere tuonto na advantage ya kufaira appeal au na ikadikero au ko kinya expenses ira to ira wachangarama cha kweta kurara cha kure kuikira gari maguta ka cha kuitia matatu tikedro reduced tuna court of appeal Aja. But on the same note na yeze nereta kaire to the national government na kinya president wetu dayo kategera Martha Koome na ara didirie shuffling ari shafu judges ba court of appeal na baidro bena transfers ma judges by kwa Nairobi court of appeal bange by kwa Mombasa court of appeal bange by kwa Kisumu court of appeal ende Aja Nyeri ere closest to Meru uti judges baraikero. That the reason is kwa judges Uhuru Kenyatta aregere kwa appoint na barai judges baraba adikaira matters cha high court iraya gwederia BBI. Our plead to the president ugo kumia mutoe koko nyanyasa mwananchi wa kawaida onto nande kumia mutoko kurega kwa appoint judges bara tatu aja nande baraba ba Meru ka baraba ba Nyeri baraba access a court of appeal Nyeri tutekuomba nande onto kutena judges baraikirwa Nairobi bange ba kwa Mombasa bange ba kwa Kisumu Aja Nyeri to atigwa tuteo na as far as we are concerned right now court of appeal ya Nyeri mbuga ika sit nirambuka baraba Nairobi mbuga bakero ba tabadikira magamba Aja. So a request to the president tafadhali kedera judges iba appointed na JSC utena opportunity ya kwa appoint bamwe utigabange judges wote baraba kurukire veti na JSC na bedro be qualified tafadhali ba point bedro be judges tukethira tu political na issues cha judiciary onto mwananchi wa kawaida ibo kumia